Hi, my name is Shane, and the pose that we're going to look at in this little video is bridge pose. I'm going to recommend grabbing a block or something that looks like a block. It's going to be really helpful to engage in our bridge pose, and then we're going to come down onto our backs. So take a bend in the knees, bring the soles of the feet to the mat. Feet are roughly around hip distance, knees stay at hip distance, and then place in your block. I like mid-height in between the thighs here, so just below the knees. Hands are by the sides, palms are facing down, and just to help engage the backs of the legs, I'm going to say, walk your feet just a little bit further forward. It's going to really help you to work the hamstrings in your bridge pose. Palms face down, and then press your lower back down into the mat so your core starts to engage. You'll feel the glutes switch on, and then start to lift your hips up towards the ceiling. And so as you do this, with the block in between the thighs, you'll feel the inner thighs switching on. Imagine your feet were trying to slide back and then lift your hips a little higher, your belly button a little higher, your lower rib cage a little higher, and then think about the center of your chest moving towards the back wall to open your chest up into your bridge pose. To come out of your bridge pose, what I like to do is one vertebrae at a time, try to bring your lower back down onto the mat before the hips come down.